Someone recently asked me would I rather. Someone recently asked me would I rather. Yeah. So in my previous video you've seen the UE Boom 3. If you haven't, go and check it out because I'm about to do the review for the UE Megaboom 3. In terms of price difference, for the UE Boom 3 you're paying $129.99 and for the Megaboom you're paying $169.99. So there's only a £40 difference between the two speakers. So yeah, let's kind of get our hands on it, see what the differences are in terms of sound quality, size, battery life, and then we'll have a little review about it. Alright, let's open it up and see what we get in the box. Wow. Okay, definitely from the get-go you can see that this is definitely, and it feels a lot bigger than the UE Boom 3. Inside I assume you just get information, charging cables, charging plug, USB socket. It's nice that they do this. This is really good. So when you're actually going to European countries you don't have to worry about any other adapters, and because it's a USB socket then you can just use it for your phones and everything. So UE Boom, thank you for doing that. It is a massive help to all of us. Thank you. As you can see immediately that the UE Boom 3 is a lot larger. If we were to compare it to the UE Boom 3, it's the kind of size comparison that you're looking at. On top as well, the laying flat. That is the comparison. Just like the UE Boom 3, on top you have your Bluetooth connection button, magic button, on button, volume up, down, spin it around. On the back you've got the cover for your USB connector to go in and charge the speaker. Also got a little floppy bit at the top so you can carabine it to your bag, or you can carry it around, hook it, whatever you need to do when you're traveling or on the go. Just like all my speakers, we'll do a sound test of 50% volume, 75% volume, then 100%. Then we can have a little talk about this speaker. Okay, so we're gonna do the sound test. Like I always say, 50%, then 75%, and then 100% volume. And they kind of give you that kind of range of sound, and also let you know the sound quality of this particular speaker. So let's start off on 50%. $75. And finally 100. So what you saw there was the sound test for the UE Megaboom 3. This is quite a large speaker, portable speaker. I mean, it's about two of my hands side by side. I mean, it's not the largest wireless portable speaker out there. Honestly, sound again is really good. I'm going to try and avoid to straight up compare it right now with the UE Boom because like I said, I'm going to try and do a separate comparison video where you can literally watch them side by side. I think it needs to be done because the price range is so close between each other that people are thinking, oh, should I just spend the extra 40 quid and get the Megaboom, or should I stick with the UE Boom? But like I said, we'll just try and stick to the Megaboom 3 review for now. Sound quality, amazing. You actually get 20 hours of battery life on this particular speaker. It is drop proof from 1 meter, so if I was to hold it here and drop it 1 meter, it would stay intact, and that is guaranteed from UE Boom. Also waterproof, which means you can totally submerge it within water, take it out, and it will still work. That's what I really like about these UE Booms. Again, I really suggest that these are for kind of travelers. I mean, they don't break easily, they're very robust, very strong speakers. 20 hours of playback time is more than enough. That's almost like a whole day of continuous play, and when are you really going to find yourself doing that? And we live in a day of technology where you can pretty much charge it anywhere now. You can do it on buses, planes, cars, even on sofas there's USB sockets now, so you're not going to find yourself running out of battery with these speakers anytime soon. So 20 hours full charge is more than enough. especially if you're traveling, you're going to find somewhere where you can charge this. In the box, like I showed you, that it came with the European adapter as well as the normal adapter for the UK. It's a really nice feature to be added by Ultimate Ears, especially when you're going traveling. Like I said, the brick has got a USB adapter, and I mean everything charges more or less off a USB now, except from your laptops. So again, that's a massive step forward in the technology industry, so thank you for doing that. Again, with UEs, you can pair up to 150 plus devices, which I just think is absolutely mad. If anyone ever gets a chance to pair it with 150 UE booms, let me know. I would love to hear what that sounds like. 360 audio, again with this speaker, so it doesn't matter where you stand, the sound will sound equal wherever you are stood, which is really nice. Someone recently asked me, would I rather get the Bose SoundLink Mini 2s? No, not really, to be honest with you. These are cheaper, sound quality is more or less on par, but the 360 audio is what makes it for me, and the waterproof. The fact that you can stand anywhere and the sound quality sounds the same is a really key feature. With the Bose, you have to hear it from one angle, so if you were to stood over there, the Bose would sound not as good as if you were stood in front of it, unlike the UE booms. So keep that in mind when buying some speakers recently. This 360 audio technology is becoming a lot hotter, and you're seeing it more in other speakers. Bose have released a speaker, the Bose Resolve. If you look on my YouTube channel, I've actually done a review on that particular speaker, which I think is actually quite good, but it is very pricey compared to UE booms. UE Boom have never let me down. Probably the best speakers. I know a lot of people that have got these and been happy with them. Other competitors out there, probably like JBL, Bose, a couple of Sony speakers, like they're kind of like the main ones that are going to compete with these. But these should be on everyone's first choice, especially if you're traveling a lot. I know I bang on about it when you watch my reviews about UE booms. I know I bang on about traveling. These are the most robust. They're dust proof, waterproof, drop proof, 20 hours of playback, got carabiner clip on the top. What more could you possibly want? You're around a campfire or in a hostel room, this will light it up. 360 audio, you don't have to worry about directional movements of the speaker to get the best audio. So bear that in mind. Always keep my reviews nice and short and sweet, just get straight to the point. Anything you want to know about this particular speaker or any other speaker, drop it in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Make sure to smash that like button. If we can get 20 likes on that video, that would be amazing. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. Watch out for the comparison video for the UE Megaboom and the UE Boom 3. That will be coming out hopefully this week as well. And yeah, that's been the UE Megaboom. I highly recommend it along with the UE Boom. If you're stuck between the two, watch the comparison video or watch the individual video for the UE Boom. They're not too different, so I think it's worth the watch. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.